So, Chapter 4 Alternative Tools of Dispute Resolution. The first topic that it goes into in this chapter is negotiation and settlement. What this is, it's both parties that are disputing come together to informally resolve their problems. So, instead of getting all their lawyers together to come and get a judge to make a decision for this case, both parties just meet up, they sit down, and they talk about, all right, what is the best way to resolve this for where both of us benefit. It's going to be a win-win situation. Just they both sit down, neither one loses, one wins. It's just a win-win situation. Next topic is mediation. This is using a neutral third party to help them solve their problem. The best example I can give for this type of method is if you see two kids arguing over whatever it may be. You'll normally see a parent come in and give them certain options to where both of the kids that are arguing are like, kid number one, like, oh, I like this option. And then kid number two, yeah, I like that option too. So they just, like, all right, we like that option. Let's just go with it just so we can settle this argument. Next method is arbitration. In arbitration, both parties submit their disagreements to a neutral third party, and the decision that the third party makes is binding. This means is that the decision that the third party makes, it 100% final, cannot be changed or manipulated in any way. That is just how it's going to be. For private trials, these cases are tried in private, and who they choose to make the decision is chosen by both parties. So these trials are just done behind closed doors. They are out of public knowledge, and whoever is making the decision, they are essentially the only other person that would know about this agreement that they are about to make, because they both decided this is the person we want making the decision for us. And then lastly is summary trials. This consists of a non-binding verdict and a settlement conference. Now, roughly 95% of cases all settle at this point, but if they don't, they'll usually end up going to trial. So I thought that this chapter was very good on explaining the different methods of dispute resolution. I think that negotiation and settlement is probably what most people would like to go with if they can, just because it's the least costly, because you don't have to get a bunch of lawyers and have to get a judge. And I think it's honestly the least time consuming, I believe, too, out of the rest of them. But other than that, I thought this was a very good chapter, and I think it was just a really good chapter overall about all the dispute resolution. And thanks for watching.